night, bad dreams, can't sleep, but I know where I need to go. Jump out of bed, throw on my shoes to run to those hills that I've always known. Down the road, past the telephone line, this night was made for a moonlight serenade. The clear air starts to ease my mind, and I'm running alone, but I am unafraid. Oh, 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 I don't believe that we'll ever grow. But I see clearly, I don't believe that we'll ever grow. Why can't you see it's a lie we've been told? I don't believe that we'll ever grow. Why can't you see it's a lie we've been told? Let go, we're running at the dark. So many things that are hard to do, so many words that are hard to say, so many chances to be straight and true, but I've always loved romance and fantasy.